Hey, it's me, Miss V, the storyteller. Listen, guys, it's almost Friday. Can you believe it? It's almost Friday, and I am so grateful because this week has been a week of woo. But I tried to find the joy in the woos, and it was hard, especially today. Very hard. But I purposed in my heart that I was not going to allow things and people around me to bring me down. So I found the joy in it. I made jokes. I made up stories of how I wish the situation had ended, but overall it worked. So when you find yourself having one of those woo weeks, just try to find the joy in it. Joy is simply pulling up to the Walmart, and anybody that's gone to Walmart, you know how hard it is to try to park. But when you get a parking place close to it, find joy in that. When you are trying to get somewhere and all the lights are green, find joy in that. Just try to find joy in the little things. All right, friends, I will see you later. Bye.